Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker, single-serve K-Cup pod coffee brewer, with iced coffee capability, brushed slate. Brews multiple cup sizes, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 ounce. Enjoy the most popular cup sizes. Strong brew button, increases the strength and bold taste of your coffee's flavor. Iced setting, brew hot over ice at the touch of a button for full flavored, delicious iced coffee. Hot water on demand button, perfect for instant soups or oatmeal. What's in the box? One water filter handle and one filter to help ensure your beverages taste their absolute best. Fast and fresh brewed coffee made in minutes. Large 75 ounces water reservoir allows you to brew 8 cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. Removable reservoir makes refilling easy. Removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.2 inches tall and holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. Brewer maintenance reminder alerts you when it is time to descale your coffee maker. Descaling is an important process that removes built-up calcium deposits, ensuring the best tasting brew possible. Quiet brew technology minimizes noise when the coffee maker is in use. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.